Welcome to Stadium, a versatile web application development tool to quickly produce data-rich web applications. Stadium applications are based on the concept of three-tier application architecture. This architecture commonly has a front-end, a logic tier, and a data tier. In Stadium, these three tiers are known as pages, events, and connectors. Pages are the front end of your web application or the presentation layer. They contain the visual elements users engage with, like buttons, labels, data grids, or text boxes. Event handlers are scripts that represent the logic layer of your application. Here you can define what should happen when your page loads or when users interact with it. Event handlers can, for example, execute queries and make web service calls, validate and process incoming and outgoing data, or control visual elements. Connectors. Connectors represent the data layer of the application and connects your application to external data sources like databases or APIs. Using connectors, you can access any database and define the data you want to use in your application using SQL. You can also define and call any web service you want to use in your application. In the logic layer of an application, data is usually retrieved from the data tier, processed and then passed to the front end, or fetched from the page, processed and then passed to the data tier. Stadium allows users to work flexibly and in any order they choose. It makes the most sense to work in the front end and the data tier before attending to the page lifecycle and developing the logic layer of a page or a module. For more on how to build web applications in record time, visit our website at stadium.software.